Yeah, Khushi, did you try to share there? Hello? Yeah, did you try to just implement these things, the model thing, the controller and view pages encoding it by yourself? Did you try that? Try it till now? Okay, just try to implement. You already, yeah, you have tried all of them. So is there any confusion? You can ask me. We can revise that thing. Means what is the controller? How we get any new page in that particular controller with the help of controller? How we show the pages, different pages? How we edit the things? How we use model? Is there any confusion? Okay. Okay. This is the calling of controller. This is the index method. Index method always call whenever we run this controller, welcome controller. By default it will call that particular method, index method. Okay, so once again this is say that URL. So this is our folder name, ci demo. Okay, it will run that particular first. Whenever we load ci demo, so it will just execute this kind of URL, index.php slash our controller name welcome, and within this welcome different methods are there. Means index method is there, edit method is there, update method is there, and one delete method. No, we didn't create the delete method. Okay, we can create delete method also. So we can run any method of them. Yeah, hello Nazar. Yeah, good morning. Can you see the screen? Just try to log in. Yeah, you are logged in. You can see the screen? Okay. Okay, okay. Let's start the session. Nazar, do you try to just cover these things, the controller, model, and view in CI coordinator? Is there any confusion till now? Yeah, just you can ask me. We can revise that thing. Okay. So, just you want to know about why we use MVC or how we use MVC? Okay, both. One MVC. Why we use MVC is the simple, just for security reason. You can say the security reason. We already discussed. You are not able to access directly any view page or directly any model. Nobody can run directly any view or directly any model. They have to go through controller. So in this controller we can set different level of security. Means user, if this method, okay, let's assume that there is three methods in our controller, welcome controller. So we can also just secure these method in different level. We can check using session. We can check or we can restrict any other user. If our site have different users, we can restrict them according to our need. According to our need we can restrict them. So the view page cannot be displayed, that that view page cannot be displayed directly. We have to go through the controller. The model cannot be accessed directly. We have to go through the model. We have to go through the controller. Go through the controller means go through the method of function. You can say the function or method. function of controller. This function we have created, within this function we can write the code or loading of our model. Let's assume this code. What we have done, this dollar this CRUD. This is our model name. We have already loaded that CRUD model into our auto load file. That's why we can use directly here. Okay, and this is the method. This is the function within the CRUD model get all record. We have to just pass table name. So what we are doing with this line, we are trying to access, we are just trying to access the, our model for database related queries. Why we need database related query right now? Because what is our front page? What is our front page? Our front page, in this page, I just want to display, I just want to display data from that particular table from TBL2, all the data. I just want to display all data. Okay, so I have to code accordingly that whenever we run our first page, we first what we need, first we need the data from database or not, Nazar Khushi. If we want to display this data, this is dynamic data, this is coming from the table. So whenever we load our first page, so we need our data first. Yes, we need our data first. That's why in that index method we just catch the records, different record by using model. Yeah, I will explain the model code also. How we use model, just model name and the method name. You can create any number of methods in model also, and user, this is the user defined name. Whatever be the name you have used in the model, you have to use same model, same name at the time of calling. What we are doing, we are calling the function of model, nothing else. What we are doing, we are just calling of a model function. Okay, so we have to pass the table name, one argument. What we done with this argument, you can see in the model. What we done, we just catch that string into one variable, and this db get is the you can see the predefined function, predefined object of database library of coordinator. So we just pass the table name, so it will just return fetch, it will just return the data, all the data, result underscore array. It will return all data from that particular table. Which table? We have used dollar $tbl, but we pass here a string, so from the tbl2. This is the way how we interact with model. This is the way how we interact with model. Whatever it will returns, what we are doing, we are assigning into a array type variable. Okay, this is the data is the main array type. We are going to just assign two dimensional array type variable. Means within the data record we have created one more variable record, and within record we just trying to assign all the data at the time of load. Now what is our requirement? Our requirement is whenever we load the our welcome message or any other whatever with the view page, we have to display, we need to display this data. So we have to pass this data. Yeah, we get the data. First step is just get the data from the database using model. Yeah, we have done that step. Now next thing, we are going to load view page. Which view page? Here is, we have already, we have view page, this welcome underscore message, and we are just passing dollar data. So dollar record can be is accessible in view page. Let me show you once again. Let me open this view page, welcome underscore message. Okay, so dollar record, can you see here? We have passed dollar record. Within the dollar data we have dollar record, so we can access the dollar record in within one for each loop. You can directly print here. Okay, let me debug. Print underscore r and dollar record, so it will just display all the data within dollar record. What we have done, we just rearrange the thing, rearrange the data Let me just stop the execution with the help of die keyword. Okay, just for debugging. Now, if I refresh, what we are running welcome index method. Okay, index method by default runs because index.php it will run automatically. We have within one folder. So same way, index method can also run by default if we run any controller and if we have index method in that particular controller. Okay, so we just get the data or not. This is the data we get in the array format. What we have done, we just display this data in tabular format, nothing else. Same we already discussed in core PHP section. How to display the data in tabular format, a dynamic data with the help of for each loop. So, is that clear, Nazar? Hello? Yeah, Nazar Kushi, is that? Yeah, yeah, Nazar, I can hear you. Yeah, Nazar, I can hear you. Hello? Kushi, can you hear me now? Okay, okay, maybe there's fluctuation of internet. Okay, I just reply. Fluctuation. Okay, okay, no issue. What I have, what is our requirement? Okay, just forget about all code. Forget about these code. This is the one view, our view, nothing else. Okay, forget about this. Well, this is our welcome controller. Okay, Nazan, could you just tell me a simple thing? How we load any view page in Coordinator? A simple thing. If I want to display this welcome underscore message and within the welcome underscore message, this is the welcome underscore message. Within the welcome underscore message, nothing. Sorry, screen again not working. It's game. Okay. Uh, we have one view page. Within the views folder, we okay. First thing is that you have to understand the folder structure of Coordinator. Okay, there is the application folder. Within the application folder there is three important folder, or you can say four important folder. First one is config. Okay, second one is controllers, third one is views, and fourth one is models. Where is the models? Yeah, this is the models. Okay, four important folder are there. So first one, views. Within the views folder, we just put our HTML code and some PHP code. Okay, what we put? Our HTML code and some PHP code within the views folder. And the models. Okay, we will just discuss and in the about the model in about the controller. In the model folder, what we just put a files a .php file, but within these files the coding is related to database, related to communication with the database. Okay, and the controller. You can hear me, Nazar Kushi? Hello. Yeah, okay. Now controllers. Within the controllers, yeah, you can create a .php file, yes. And but here, whatever with the file, whatever with the code within that file is you can say the middleware, kind of middleware code. It will interact our view page and it will communicate our view page with and our model. Means it's kind of middleware, our controllers. With the help of controller only, we can load our views, we can communicate with our models page, models.php, whatever is the name of our models page, and fetch the data. So main thing is controller. The centralized thing is controllers. Even we run, you can see even on the URL there is only display the controller name and controller methods. There is no view page name, no model page name. Always in any website, whatever with the number of files are there, whatever with the large number of website, no issue. Always you will see controller name and after this a method name. Okay, is that clear? What is controller? Okay, now with the help of this controller, okay, let's assume um, I don't have, okay, let's assume I have one more view page. Okay, just create one new file, save it, and write a demo.php. Okay, I just save as a demo.php and write some hello. I just echo something as string. So now, if you want to run this view page in coordinator is different and in core PHP is different. If you are working on core PHP, this demo.php you have in one folder, whatever the folder name, let's assume CI demo. Within this folder you have demo.php. What you will do in core PHP? Just use localhost slash CI demo slash demo.php. Directly you can run in core PHP. But in the coordinator you are not able to directly run that view page just because of security. Okay, so how we run this view page? Just Nazar, just tell me how we can run this view page. Yeah, through the controller. Let's assume I just want to create a new method, demo method. Demo.php is the okay. View demo. You can take any name. View demo method. I just want to create a new method, view demo method. With the help of that method, I just want to run this view page. What will be the code? Let's come to the controller. You can create anywhere a new method, no restriction. So public, by default it is public, or you can set the public also. Public view demo or load demo. Okay, it will load underscore demo. Our what is this? This is our method name, new method name. Okay, just tell me the code how we load our view page. One second, I just didn't. One second. Function, public function. Okay, yeah. Now just tell me how we. Yeah, dollar this. Okay, $this load view now dollar data. If we need any data within that particular view page, we fetch the data from the database and I just want to send that data into view page, or I just want to display that data into view page. That only we just use this dollar data. Okay, right now just you have to use demo, our page name, view page name. So it will display our demo page. Which page? This one. Let's run. Just tell me URL. Tell me URL, Nazar. Dem Sorry, only demo. 404. We don't have demo method within the controller. This is our controller, welcome controller. Yes, we have welcome controller, but we don't have demo method. Can you see the demo method? Let me show you. Where is demo method? No demo method. We have load demo method, we index, edit, and update. We don't have demo method. That's why we get 404, not found. What would be the URL, Khushi? What would be the URL? This is not correct. Khushi, can you? Here URL. I just want to know the what should I run here from here. What should I put in URL? Mm, okay. Sorry, no, I didn't hear you. Load demo. Welcome forward slash. Then we have to just set any other URL. We have to just put a string to loading that particular view page. How we load that particular? If I just use welcome, then it will display our welcome message. It means old view. I just want to load my new view means demo.php. Whatever with the page demo.php, I just want to run that page. How we run? We have created a demo.php in views. Did you remember this page? Demo.php we have created. I just want to run this page. And within that page there is a hello message, nothing else. Khushi, can you tell me? Just yeah, yeah. Load underscore demo. We already discussed about means here in the URL always there is a controller name slash method name. Method name you can say the function name or within that controller. So what we have done, let me show you. This is our controller welcome.php. Okay, within this controller we have created one new method or you can say new function load underscore demo. With the help of load underscore demo, what we are doing, we are just loading our view page. So we can change, if you want to change name, yes, let me show you. I just change load demo. I just remove the underscore. So it will give us 404 because no load underscore demo exists. So I have to remove that underscore. It means it will execute with the name of our methods within that controller. Always our method will run, okay, and whatever be the code within that method, it will execute that code. Okay, Nazar, Khushi, is there any confusion for loading a view? What is this? This is our server localhost. What is this? This is our folder name. Okay, our folder name. This is our folder name CI demo. Okay, and what is that index.php after this folder name? Where is the scroller? One second. If you just this index.php means all the requests just go through the this index.php. That's why we have to write index.php. Yes, we can remove that index.php in later session with the help of htaccess file. But right now, index.php, this that is the index.php. Okay. Now this is what is this? We have to. No. We don't have to update because all the requests go through from that index.php just for security reason of coordinator. We don't have to update that file. We don't have to change anything. The index.php is not a controller. Is, you can say, kind of router. In root directory, we have this index.php in the root directory. In the controller folder, yeah, this is just you can remove this. This is nothing, just a index.html, nothing else. You can remove this. Okay, but this file, this in the root directory, if you, yeah, it's correct. Means, let me show you. If I remove all the code, okay, what I have done, remove all the code from index.php. Now it will generate either error, nothing. It will generate nothing. It means we are not able to redirect, we are not able to get any page. It's kind of forbidden. Maybe it is not showing the errors, kind of forbidden, means no error there, but you are not able to access this folder. Okay, access this, you can say access this website. There is a networking error, you can see here in console. Different kind of errors are bad request, you can say. This is kind of security levels. Okay, so it will just approve the security our index.php. Let me just control Z, approve the security, route our request and send to controller, and controller just work as a whatever we code and load the view or fetch the data from the models and send it to view, whatever be the requirement. So this is the index.php. I have just saved. If I run now in the welcome, we get the data, or if we want to load our view, new view, whatever the demo.php, this is the way. Okay, Nazar, Khushi. Now if I just tell you that I just want to change, I just want to change my view page, but in the same method I just want to change the view page. How we change? Means we have different view pages, edit, demo, welcome message. I just want to show again that welcome message, but it will give us error. Edit. Okay, let me just create one new one, because in the welcome message we have some PHP code. Demo 1 dot php. Okay, HTML code, write something. Okay, I just want to run this page, demo1.php, with the same method. How we do that, Sushi? With the same method, I just want to, wait one second, let me change something. Okay, I just want to run this page, demo1.php, with the help of same method. What should I do, Kushi? Here, Actually no, because it could be any name. This is the user defined. User defined. It could be the any name. Means one second. Here we can write okay any name. It is not related to if I just we have, whatever be the name of method we have used, we have to use here the same name. It will load same page, no difference. It will load same page. We are getting hello again. It means it is user defined name. Our function, our method name is user defined name. Okay, you can use any name here. So if we change anything, so it will not just load this demo one. I just want to load now. Right now it is loading demo. I just want to load demo one. This one. It is right now. It is loading this page. This third or fourth view page. This is fourth view page in our folder. Kushi, can you tell me how we load demo1.php? Yep. This is the within the view method, whatever this is user predefined inbuilt method view. Okay, this what is the working of this method? This just load our view pages, this method, and within the brackets we have to pass our page name, nothing else. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, just if I write demo 1 and just try to refresh, same method, this is the same method, but now it will execute our different view page. Okay, we didn't you here you cannot see the view page name in the URL also. There is not able to see the view page name, but it is loading that view page. Okay, okay, Nazar, Khushi, is there any confusion of loading view? Hello, now you can load any view from any method. You can create different method in controller. Just forget about the model, just tell me, are you able to load any view page from your controller or not? Khushi, no, Khushi is not a file. Khushi is the method name, just a function name. This is the function name, and what we are doing, this is a function, so our function should call. We are calling our function from here, from the URL. Can you see this URL? We are calling our function. Okay, what is the working of function? If we define a function, yeah, it will execute. When it will execute? Whenever we call this function, then only it will execute. Okay, this is the working of function. So this is the definition of function, Khushi function. Okay, this is the definition, and we are calling from the URL. Okay, means this is the path welcome, yeah, our controller name, and this is the function name within the welcome. Okay, okay, Kushi, is there any confusion for loading any view page? Hello, Kushi, no confusion. Okay, now next step. Next step means, yeah, we can do anything in this view page. The PHP code, the HTML code, just start the PHP tag and start the PHP code. No issue, we can do anything. We can use for each loop, for loop, any loop also within the PHP code. Same, it will work as a our what you can say a core PHP. We already discussed in core PHP we can write the HTML within the HTML code we can write the PHP codes. Okay, with the help of PHP tag. Just start the PHP tag and end the PHP tag and write code in between start and end. Okay, so now this is our simple view, and after this, one second, please be online.